Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to tell you something beautiful about our beloved Prophet Muhammad. He had sons and loved them very much.
Really? Please tell us their names.
Yes, listen carefully, and we will learn an important lesson about patience and love. The first son of Prophet Muhammad was Qasim Klain. Because of him, people lovingly called the Prophet Abul Qasim, which
What was he like?
He was a beloved child, but he returned to Allah when he was still verfeldsang.
So patience means staying strong even when we feel sad?
Yes, exactly. Feeling sad is normal, but we remember Allah and stay hopeful. After Qasim, the Prophet had another son named Abdullah ibn Muhammad. He was also called Tayyib and Tahir, which mean pure and good.
Did he grow up?
He also returned to Allah during childhood. Even during difficult times, the Prophet's you continued to be kind to people and never lost hope.
That must have been very hard.
Yes, but the Prophet Tayyib taught us that true strength comes from faith in Allah.
Later in Medina, the Prophet had a son named Ibrahim R.A. He loved him deeply and often carried him with care.
Yes.
When Ibrahim passed away as a baby, the Prophet had tears in his eyes. He showed us that having emotions is natural.
So prophets feel love just like us?
Of course, they teach us the best way to handle our feelings, with kindness and faith.
From the lives of the Prophet's sons, we learn many lessons. Love your family. Be patient during hard moments.
Our Prophet Muhammad that showed us how to be gentle, loving, and strong.
When we follow his example.